Putting on a seatbelt, putting on a seatbelt, putting on a seatbelt, seatbelt.
Can you do that one? Seatbelt. You do it. Okay.
Mom, for real.
Really?
Mom.
You're totally embarrassing me.
Mom,
right
for
now.
real.
Really, we're in the downtown area. I might see some of my baby friends.
Right,
some of them baby ladies.
Right,
So please leave me alone.
Mom, I might see some of them baby ladies. You better not be telling me to do
We
stupid
just
things.
got that fresh tint on our windows, Mom.
We just applied the fresh tint on windows. Now you're
Now
telling
we
me
gotta be
silly?
looking good.
Yeah.
Fresh tint. Are we the fanciest people
What?
ever?
Oh, what?
Oh.
Oh, what?
Oh,
My
pardon
pinky's
me.
up as I drink out of my sippy cup.
My pinky's up
Oh,
for no reason
what's
at all.
going on?
Just because we're
Oh.
fancy.
Oh, we're so fancy.
We
We're
spent
undercover.
$125 on this tint.
Yeah. Oh, you better believe it.
Oh, me? I'm not made of money.
Yeah.
I just got a brand new tint on my
Right.
windows.
TJ, that's a tint job.
A tint job.
And that included the 20% friends and family discount.
What a discount. I mean, really?
Seriously.
Once you get above 100, give me a 20%
Just a
discount.
little 20%. I didn't have to ask. You're just like, oh.
Under
you,
10 though?
OLP, 20% discount.
For you, OLP.
20%. That's what we do.
20%.
That's what we do. Yeah, when my friends give me discounts, it better be a good discount.
Right.
When you say, hey, friend, you want to do business with me? I'm going to give you a discount. It better be a good one.
Yeah, or I
better be a
don't
good
or
one.
I don't want to even continue this friendship.
I'm like, you know what? We're frenemies now.
Yeah, do you know what I'm bringing to the table?
Right.
Love,
Love
friendship,
and hugs.
a fresh tint job.
Right.
You know what you're bringing to the table? Less
Disappointment.
than 10%.
Disappointment.
Disappointment.
Right.
That's all, folks.
Where do I go?
You just stay right here.
Just stay right here?
This will take you where you need to go.
Where I need to go?
Tomorrow we're gonna play 4th of July.
Can't wait. I just like shouting
yeah.
slogans. I know I've said it to you before, but I like shouting slogans as fireworks.
We
go
can't.
off.
We can't do it right now, though. We gotta
No,
save
I'm
it.
saving that for
we
tomorrow.
gotta save it all up.
I'm saving that up.
Every
I'm saving it up like food stores. You kidding me?
Magic.
I'm saving it up like a
America,
savings
keep
account.
it.
I'm saving it up like a
Like I'm gonna go
squirrel
on
saves
vacation
food in
next
its
summer.
cheeks.
Yeah.
Saving up? Like saving up money. I'm
or
saving
like-
it up like VidCon 2013.
Oh, amen.
I'm saving up like Play This Live 2013.
Preach. I'm saving it
I
up,
will.
up like a bear fat for
Oh,
winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm losing that like Oprah lost weight and ratings.
Oh,
Oh!
Oprah. Oh, we
Oprah.
don't mock Oprah. Take it back.
Take it back. She'll find you. She'll find you. She'll find you and cut you.
I
Just
know,
that.
I love Oprah.
She's a thug.
I would be so flattered if Oprah cut me, though. Wouldn't you?
Oh,
She'd
that is
probably
a flag,
cut
buddy.
you with like gold, like a golden blade.
Seriously.
A golden Oprah is
Yeah, buddy.
disappointed
What?
blade. Chop.
Right.
Oprah chop.
Right.
A golden chop.
Oprah chops are the worst kind of chops.